Hey, what's up Vechain holders? So this is the latest update of a Vechain coin, my friend. You can see here this time the Vechain is completely fails down, my friend. If we check out the trading volume, you can see here they completely fails down in the chart. You can see here this is the live chart, live trading view of a Vechain coin, my friend, and completely they fails down and they hit the resistance line. So if the coin cross the resistance line, then absolutely they are in the loss. So my friends, what we do in this terrible condition, my friend, what we do and this time, and absolutely my friend, in upcoming days they're moving up or they fails down, what's the prediction exactly, my friend, everything discussed in this video. But before, my friend, I start this video, I request you to click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, first of all, the Vechain update is very important, my friend. This time the Vechain latest update, if you can see here the price as 0.2289 US dollar and the change occur is 6.37%. they fails down in the last 24 hours. So my holder, my brother, my viewer, my subscriber, exactly this is very bad change occur in the last 24 hours, my friends. But what we can say, especially the short time investors starting selling, so definitely the price change occur is a negative, my friend. If you can check out the market cap, the market cap 6.19% fails down, and fully diluted market cap 6.19% fails down. And you can see here the volume 24 hour as 40.50% fails down. So you can see here this time the volume as 0.1765 market cap, you can see here, and the circulating supply is 64.32 billion. So my friend, if we check out the trading volume, then exactly, my friend, we understand to this time they fails down. But definitely, my friend, remember to after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So after this big jump, my friends, they fails down completely, you can see here. But definitely after a short fails they take a short jump, my friend. So every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation, remember always. So my friend, if you can see here this time this circulation has changed. Now you can see here they're moving up, absolutely, definitely you can see here this time they're moving upward. So I think, my friend, if they're starting moving upward like this, then definitely, my friend, absolutely this is possible, my friend, to upcoming days they're moving up. So and the first reason is that, my friends, to on the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down like a rocket. But definitely at the mid of month, my friend, they're starting moving up very fastly. So I hope, my friend, at the mid of month Vechain moving up like a rocket. So the good time is coming soon. You can see here this time also the trading view they absolutely got in a positive, and I hope, my friend, they can hit the resistance line and the change now in positive. So the good time is coming soon, Vechain holder. Please try to understand, don't sell it, hold it. And remember, this is not a financial video, this is just advice video, my friend. Someone cannot give me a from money special for that to I do a promote this. Absolutely, my friend, this is just I advise you, my brother. I just my friends, be honestly, I help you, my friend, especially my subscriber, my viewers, to he cannot lose, my friend, more in a crypto market. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and do one good comment if you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.